YouTube. Today is Sunday, I think it's January 31st. Man, it's a lot cooler today. It was like up in the low 80s yesterday. A little breezy yesterday, but it's windy today. I had on a mesh jacket and I had to stop and dress a little better. It's pretty cool and it's windy, so the mesh jacket made me chilly, but it's still a beautiful sunny day. I'll stop and get some gas again. I rode yesterday and I was just in a terrible mood, so I actually did some video, and I did it on my hard drive, and then I had computer problems and checked again and it wasn't there, so still having computer problems with the hard drive. Bye. Well, I just topped off. I always like to top off and start off with a full tank because you never know where I'm going to end up. But it's so windy today, I probably won't go real far. I don't know if you can hear the wind. I can hear it, and I got my shield closed. Oh, no, there we go. It's always so windy here. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe it's just the time of year that we got so much wind. Took my Goldwing out last week, and I don't know what it was, but there was somebody watering, the whole road was soaked, and now the Goldwing's all muddy. So I haven't been out to wash it, and I don't even like to ride it when it's full of mud. So I've been riding this one. It's not the cleanest, but at least it's not all full of mud. Whoa, $1.96. Come on, QT, you're 10 cents more a gallon than up the street. That's why I stopped getting gas there. Used to get gas there all the time, but now they don't seem to be as competitive. Kind of frustrating how gas is getting so high. And that's what I got angry about yesterday. It's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. Bye.